Hello, this is Zen Programmer, and welcome to this video on designing tokenomics for your blockchain business or blockchain game. I have seen so many blockchain projects struggle with unsustainable tokenomics, leading to high volatility and a lack of long-term growth. In this video, I will guide you through the steps of designing tokenomics for your blockchain game or blockchain business with a focus on creating a sustainable economy. We will also discuss common pain points and share pro tips along the way. Let's get started with step number 1, figuring out your business. This step involves understanding your project and its goals. Ask yourself questions such as, what problems does your project solve? What is your target audience? How will your project generate revenue? By answering these questions, you will have a clear understanding of your project's objective, which will help you design a token economy that aligns with them. Step number 2 is understanding why do you need a token. Before creating a token, it's essential to ask yourself, why do you need one? A token that can provide many benefits, such as incentivizing user behavior, creating a new asset class, or facilitating transactions. However, it's crucial to ensure that a token is the right solution for your project and not just a trendy buzzword. Conduct thorough research and consider alternative solutions before deciding to create a token. Moving on to step number 3, building your token model. In this step, you need to design the mechanics of your token. This includes determining factors such as token type, its utility, security, or hybrid, its token supply, is it fixed, is it capped, or dynamic, its token distribution, is it an ICO, is it an airdrop, or any other means, token governance, who has control over the token. By designing your token's mechanics carefully, you will ensure that it functions as intended and aligns with the project's objectives. Step number 4 is tuning the supply and demand dynamics of your token. This step involves balancing the supply and demand of your token to create a sustainable and valuable token economy. You will need to consider factors such as token issuance and destruction mechanisms, incentives for token holders, token scarcity, external market forces. By tuning the supply and demand dynamics of your token, you will create a healthy token economy that rewards users for contributing to your project's success. Step number 5 is token and business review. This step involves reviewing and testing your token economy and business model. Ask yourself questions such as, is the token economy sustainable? Is the token being used as intended? Is the business model generating revenue? By reviewing and testing your token economy and business model, you will identify areas for improvement and ensure that your project is on the track to succeed. Step number 6 is token liquidity. In this step, you need to ensure that your token is easily tradable on exchanges, such as listing on exchanges, providing liquidity pools, building relationships with market makers. By ensuring token liquidity, you will create a healthy secondary market for your token, which will increase its value and adoption. Finally, step number 7 is token listing. Listing of your token on cryptocurrency exchanges. You need to consider factors such as the exchange reputation and security, the exchange fees, exchange user base and volume. By listing your token on reputable exchanges, it can be centralized or decentralized exchange, you will increase its exposure to potential users and investors. Here are some pro tips to keep in mind while designing your tokenomics. Focus on sustainability. Your token economy should be designed for long-term success, not short-term hype. Consider community involvement. Involve your community in the token economy design process that can lead to increased adoption and engagement. Stay up to date with regulations. ensure that your tokenomics comply with relevant regulation to avoid legal issues, use data-driven design. In conclusion, designing tokenomics for your blockchain game or blockchain business is a critical step in creating a sustainable economy. By understanding your business, defining your legal model, tuning the supply and demand dynamics, conducting a token and business review, ensuring token liquidity, and listing your tokens appropriately on centralized or decentralized exchanges, you can create a strong foundation for long-term growth and success. We wish you the best of luck in designing your tokenomics. See you next time.